I find that Mr. McDonald is criminally responsible for this accident, this collision. However, I find that the state has failed to establish beyond a reasonable doubt the element of recklessness.
First at 4, the truck driver who slammed into a tour bus full of students found not guilty of more severe charges, but guilty of lesser charges in the crash that left 6 people dead, including 3 teens.
Jacob McDonald was convicted of 6 counts of vehicular homicide. Welcome to 3 News at 4. I'm Cia New Yorker here with Jay Crawford. Christy Paul has the day off. Our Annabelle Childers has been following this case from the very beginning, including today's court proceedings. And she has more reaction and looks back on the details of the trial. Annabelle, good afternoon to you.
Good afternoon. This was not the outcome these families were hoping for. As the judge read that verdict, you could hear people crying. This verdict means McDonald will be out of jail in months, when these families were hoping he would be there for years. November 14th, 2023. 54 Tuscarawas Valley students and 3 chaperones were on the way to Columbus for a school band conference when semi-truck driver Jacob McDonald crashed into the chaperone's car and the charter bus, killing 6 people.
It's just a roller coaster of emotions. I mean, some days are better than others. This whole crash left me with 3 kids, as the sole parent.
Richard Wigfield lost his wife Shannon in the crash, an ache that will never go away. But today, he was hoping he might get some closure through the legal system.
There was no attempt to brake or swerve, and coupled with his speeding, he needs the maximum sentence.
Following the crash, Jacob McDonald was charged with 26 counts, 6 for aggravated vehicular homicide, 11 for assault, and 9 for vehicular assault. Last week, his case went to trial. Prosecutors argued McDonald acted with recklessness, that he was distracted at the time of the crash and was likely on his phone. The defense argued there was no way to definitively prove that, as McDonald's cell phone burned up in the crash. Today, the judge ruled prosecutors did not adequately prove McDonald was reckless, finding him not guilty of 20 charges.
Frankly, I did not find the evidence regarding the data from the cell phone to be convincing.
The judge did find McDonald guilty of 6 amended charges of vehicular homicide. Prosecutor Clifford Murphy disagreeing with that verdict.
We believe we presented sufficient evidence for convictions on all charges. They suffered a tremendous loss. It's an incalculable loss. And, unfortunately, the system didn't serve him in this particular case.
McDonald's defense attorney also spoke to reporters.
I don't think there's any winners here. It's a tragic set of circumstances. Regardless of what today's outcome is, I think that he personally knows that he was a proximate cause of these deaths and injuries, and I think it's devastated him personally.
Now, with this verdict, McDonald's sentence will range somewhere from 6 to 18 months, and that includes the more than 10 months he has already served. Had the judge found McDonald guilty of those recklessness-related charges, the sentence could have been up to 31 years.
Wow. All right, Annabelle Childers reporting live for us. Annabelle, thank you.